Imagine a place unlike any other, a realm where nature reigns supreme. A vast expanse of white stretches as far as the eye can see, an endless canvas of snow and ice. The silence is absolute, broken only by the occasional crack of ice or the cry of a distant bird echoing through the stillness. Towering ice cliffs rise from the frozen ocean, their surfaces sculpted by wind and time into breathtaking formations, each one a masterpiece of nature. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the faint scent of salt and ice, a reminder of the ocean's presence. This is Antarctica, the last true wilderness on Earth, untouched and untamed. Antarctica is a continent of extremes, a place of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions where survival is a daily challenge. It is a land of ice and snow where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, testing the limits of endurance. Yet despite this harshness, life finds a way, adapting and thriving in the most unlikely of places. Penguins waddle across the ice, their resilience a testament to nature's adaptability. Seals bask in the sun, enjoying brief moments of warmth, and whales breach the frigid waters, a spectacular display of life in motion. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of nature, a place where life persists against all odds, thriving in the face of adversity. This is a journey to the heart of this frozen continent, a journey to discover its secrets and to understand its importance to the health of our planet, a mission of exploration and preservation. It is a journey that will inspire awe and wonder, and hopefully a renewed commitment to protecting this fragile ecosystem for generations to come, ensuring that its majesty endures. Antarctica is a continent defined by its ice, a vast expanse of white that stretches as far as the eye can see. It is the coldest, windiest and driest continent on Earth, where blizzards can rage for days and the wind can reach hurricane speeds. Located at the southernmost point of our planet, it is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, a vast and unforgiving body of water that isolates it from the rest of the world. Antarctica is truly a land of superlatives, with its extreme conditions and breathtaking landscapes. It covers an area of 14 million square kilometers, making it larger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice, which can be up to 4.7 kilometers thick in some places, creating a frozen world of immense beauty and danger. The average temperature in Antarctica during the winter months can plunge to -60 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. These extreme conditions make Antarctica a challenging environment for life, but not an impossible one. Hardy species like penguins and moss have adapted to survive here. Despite the cold, the wind, and the lack of sunlight for much of the year, life has found a way to thrive in this frozen desert, showcasing nature's resilience. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica teems with krill, a tiny crustacean that forms the base of the Antarctic food chain, supporting a diverse array of marine life. The wildlife of Antarctica is as unique as its environment. Thriving in one of the most extreme climates on Earth, penguins are perhaps the most iconic inhabitants of this frozen continent, instantly recognizable with their black and white plumage. These flightless birds are perfectly adapted to life in and around the water, where they spend a significant portion of their lives. Their dense feathers provide insulation against the cold, and their streamlined bodies make them powerful swimmers capable of reaching impressive speeds underwater. Several species of penguins call Antarctica home, including the emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species, known for their remarkable breeding cycle during the harsh winter. Seals are another group of animals that have adapted to the harsh conditions of Antarctica, with their unique physiological traits. These marine mammals have thick layers of blubber to keep them warm in the icy waters, allowing them to survive and thrive in the frigid temperatures. Several species of seals can be found in Antarctica, including the Weddell seal, the elephant seal, and the leopard seal, each with their own unique adaptations. Whales also frequent the waters surrounding Antarctica, drawn by the abundance of krill, which forms the base of the Antarctic food web. Humpback whales, minke whales, and orcas are just a few of the whale species that can be found in these waters, each playing a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. Antarctica is a land of breathtaking ice formations. Glaciers, rivers of ice that flow slowly over time, carve their way through the landscape. These glaciers often end in dramatic fashion, carving massive icebergs into the sea. These icebergs, some of which can be larger than small countries, drift through the Southern Ocean, their shapes constantly changing as they melt and break apart. Ice caves, another spectacular feature of the Antarctic landscape, are formed by meltwater flowing beneath glaciers. These caves can be incredibly beautiful, with intricate ice formations and crystal clear water. The ice formations of Antarctica are a testament to the power of nature, a constant reminder of the forces that have shaped this continent over millions of years. Antarctica, for all its remoteness and harsh beauty, is not immune to the impacts of human activity. Global warming, driven by the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, is causing the ice sheets of Antarctica to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities around the world. The impacts of climate change are already being felt in Antarctica. Rising temperatures are disrupting the delicate balance of the Antarctic ecosystem. Penguin populations are declining as their food sources become scarce. The changing conditions are also impacting other species, such as seals and whales, that rely on the icy environment for their survival. The fate of Antarctica is inextricably linked to the fate of our planet. What happens in Antarctica will have profound consequences for the rest of the world. Recognizing the global significance of Antarctica, nations around the world came together in 1959 to sign the Antarctic Treaty. This landmark agreement designates Antarctica as a continent dedicated to peace and science. It prohibits military activity, encourages international cooperation in research, and promotes the conservation of the Antarctic environment. The Antarctic Treaty is a testament to what can be achieved when nations work together for the common good. Since the signing of the treaty, numerous research stations have been established in Antarctica by various countries. These stations serve as hubs for scientific research, allowing scientists to study a wide range of subjects, from climate change to marine biology to astrophysics. The research conducted in Antarctica provides invaluable insights into the workings of our planet and the universe beyond. While tourism to Antarctica is increasing, it is strictly regulated to minimize the impact on the environment. Tour operators must adhere to strict guidelines to ensure that their activities do not disturb wildlife or damage the fragile ecosystem. Visitors are educated about the importance of responsible behavior, such as staying on designated paths and properly disposing of waste. Adventure tourism in Antarctica offers a unique opportunity to experience the beauty and wonder of this remote continent. Visitors can kayak among icebergs, hike across glaciers, and camp under the stars. These experiences can be life-changing, instilling a deep respect for the power and fragility of nature. There is a spiritual quality to Antarctica, a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere on Earth. The vastness of the landscape, the silence of the air, and the purity of the ice create a sense of awe and wonder. Poets, writers, and artists have long been drawn to Antarctica, seeking inspiration in its stark beauty. Antarctica is a place that stays with you long after you have left. It is a place that challenges your perceptions, expands your horizons, and reminds you of the interconnectedness of all things. It is a place that humbles you, inspires you, and leaves you with a profound sense of gratitude for the natural world. The future of Antarctica, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on the choices we make today. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, transition to cleaner sources of energy, and protect the natural systems that sustain us. We must act now before it is too late. Let us be inspired by the beauty and resilience of Antarctica. Let us work together to address the challenges facing our planet so that future generations can experience the wonder of this frozen continent. Let us leave a legacy of hope, a legacy of action, a legacy of a healthy planet for all.